How to buy Danger token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on buy this token, as you can see, make sure to visit their community on X. As you can see, they have 111 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. Now, as you can see, it created 14 hours ago. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just open your BITGET wallet on your browser like that. And what you need to do, first of all, make sure to select the Ethereum as a network because this token is under the Ethereum section. Now, select the Ethereum as you can see here. Now, click here to copy the token address and now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, paste it here in the search bar. And now just wait a few seconds as you can see. Now, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, as you can see here, now go back and now search for your token that you just added on your wallet. Now just wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. And as you can see here, what you need to do, just click on swap. Now switch it from here. Now from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And here you can type how much you want to buy like that. And here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click here on swap because I don't have any fund. I can't be able to see it here. Now click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Danger token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.